Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Turbotax Live Deluxe. Before we dive into the steps, it's crucial to check two things. First, ensure you haven't already paid for or registered your tax return. Second, confirm whether you've used any of the Live Tax Expert features. These initial checks will determine the easiest path forward for you. Remember, this process is best done through a web browser, not the mobile application, for full functionality. If you haven't used a tax expert, downgrading is often straightforward. Begin by signing into your TurboTax online account and opening your current tax return. Next, proceed through the screens until you reach the "Just a few steps left" section. Here, you should find an option to review your order. On the order summary screen, look for and select the downgrade button to switch to a different product. Should the downgrade option not be available, or if you've already engaged with a tax expert, the alternative is to clear and start over. This action will remove all your current entries. To do this, sign into your TurboTax account via a desktop or mobile browser. Within your Open Return, find the My Account or Tax Tools section, then select Clear and Start Over. You will be prompted to confirm this action. Once your return has been cleared, TurboTax will prompt you to select a new product. Take your time to choose the version that accurately reflects your tax needs, such as the Free Edition, Deluxe, or Premier. Keep in mind that for online products, once payment is submitted, it's generally considered non-refundable. However, exceptions exist for accidental state selection or duplicate charges, so always review their refund policy if you have concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.